Hey guys, Ryan here from affiliatetoolsforyou.com, and thanks for taking the time to watch my Aurora 2.0 review. Now in this review, we're going to be looking at the sales page very quickly, looking at the claims that are made in Aurora 2.0. I'll quickly go over my custom bonuses that I put together for this, and then we'll look around in detail in the members area of Aurora 2.0, which I've opened up here, and I'll show you exactly how it works. But just a few words about Aurora 2.0. Aurora 2.0 is created by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. It was originally called Aurora 1.0, which was released about a year ago. And what Aurora is it's a system that is pretty much done for you that allows you to sell high-ticket products online. So what you'll do is you'll get an affiliate link for a product that's worth $1,000 or $2,000, and you're going to get a very high commission from it, anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per sale, which is pretty crazy. The thing is, most people don't know how to sell high-ticket items, and this course not only shows you how to do it, but they give you all the tools done for you that will do the selling for you, which is basically webinars, such as this one here. This is a webinar that I built using Aurora 2.0, and these same kind of webinars were also offered in Aurora 1.0, okay? So these webinars are done for you. They'll show you how to, the page is done for you. All you need to do is get the video and upload it. They will give you a couple of videos already in the front end. And if you go for the pro version, they'll do everything for you and they'll give you unlimited videos, okay? So this webinar will play and it will sell the high ticket product for me. This is about a 1.5 hour long webinar giving an intense free training. This is actually a webinar by Brendan, and in the middle of this webinar, he's going to pitch a product that's worth about $2,000, okay? And when he pitches it, a button's going to appear here that will basically call me to click on it and go through to the sales page for that product. So that's the main idea, is they're giving you these high ticket sales pages and done for you webinars, meaning somebody else is doing the webinar. All you need to do is take that video and add it to this page, add your affiliate link, and a button will appear here where if people click on it, it will go through to your affiliate link, and if they buy the product, which is say worth $2,000, you can get a nice $1,000 commission. That's the essence behind Aurora, but the next best part of Aurora is it also gives you free traffic. I'll explain in more detail later how that works, but this is the main principle behind Aurora. Now, I did say it was created by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. They're pretty well known in this industry because they are super affiliates, and they've been doing this for a long time, especially Brendan. Jono makes anywhere from $30,000 to close to $100,000 a month, and so does Brendan. This has been verified. Feel free to contact them. They can show you screenshots or video footage of their Warrior Plus or JVZoo and other affiliate accounts. So you can see these guys are earning big. They know what they're doing, and they practice what they preach. So that alone does make things intriguing, and it makes me definitely want to learn more from these two. So take a look now at my bonuses. I am offering you guys for a limited time, only 4 days. There'll be a countdown timer here when this video is done. So you definitely want to check these out and click them before the countdown timer reaches 0. So if we scroll down and look at the bonuses here, you'll see the first bonus I'm going to give you guys to help get even more traffic to these webinar pages is my SEO, my Google SEO hack, which is a few tips and tricks that you can easily use to rank your money pages to the first page in Google and get a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you guys how you can triple your sales that you're getting through the Aurora 2.0 system. Okay, this is another simple hack, but not a lot of people are doing it, which kind of blows my mind. I go over it in detail here and give you everything that you need. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to complete training that will show you how to make $10,000 in the next 30 days. Of course, that will require some work to get there. If you follow this step by step, you definitely will do it. And it's, of course, being given by 2 of the top affiliates out there. So this will go perfect because you are selling high ticket. And this course also involves high ticket, but involves a complete system on building up traffic and reputation and branding and getting everything working on autopilot. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. Bonus number 4 is my lead swapping hack. I've given this away on some other products. It's very popular because what it does is it allows you to almost instantly get access to hundreds of thousands of email leads. Now they say the money is in the list. It definitely is, because this will give you a way of getting tons of free traffic to your money pages, which will make you even more sales without having to spend money on advertising. Bonus number 5, to sweeten the pot more, I'm going to show you a very unique way that you can get free traffic from YouTube without having to appear on camera and without having to actually make your own videos. On the other hand, you're not using anybody else's videos. You will be creating unique videos specifically for the item that you want to sell. You don't need to be in it, and it's just a few clicks of a button, and it works very well, and you can get targeted traffic from that. Just excellent. Bonus number 6 will be all of the vendor bonuses, which you can see on the sales page. So the first few bonuses I showed you are my bonuses. You can only get those through this link below. And these are the other bonuses that you'll have access to through the vendors as well. And they should be on the bottom of the sales page. And let's see. Here they are. Okay, so bonus number 1 from Brandon and Jono will be using an Instagram software. You get a flood of free traffic. Bonus number 2 will be alternative traffic sources to use with Aurora 2.0. Bonus number 3, access to the Fuego breakout to learn more traffic hacks. Bonus number 4, Jono's branding hacks, part 1 and 2. And so, yeah, this is, that's it, guys. It's a lot of bonuses to be getting, and they're all very useful. You're going to have a ton of extra traffic methods, especially if you pick up my bonuses. So let's take a look at the sales page and what it claims. Now, sales page is claiming to give you a way of automating $1,000 commissions. And from what I've seen in the members area, this is true. They're telling you the truth. You can definitely get $1,000 commissions. Actually, one of the videos that Brandon and John will give you is for a product that they're selling for $2,000, and you can get 50% of that, which is $1,000, okay? So they're giving you a way to make your own unique webinar pages to do that. So definitely, this claim is 110% true, okay? So there's no real need to read the rest of the sales page. It's just going to, talk about the problems that you're probably having in affiliate marketing, right? Nobody makes any money promoting products that don't cost much, right? A lot of you are probably promoting products that cost $10, $20, maybe a maximum of $50. And yeah, you can make some money with it, but you're going to have to work very hard to do it, and there's a limit to how much you can make. Once you start promoting high ticket, that's the key to getting the results that Brendan and John are getting. And the results are pretty crazy. They're getting, $50,000 a month and more. I'm actually understating it because I don't want to exaggerate, but they're getting at least $50,000 a month using the methods that they're going to show you in here. So in the members area, you're going to get access to training, which is going to show you how to use their software, okay? But it is a software. It's a software that builds pages for you, just like this one that I showed you here, okay? See, the video is still playing. The webinar is running. And okay, so first there's a training area. They're going to give you an introduction, and they're very creative, preparing to embark to the Northern Lights. They're just going to show you everything you need to set up, okay? They're going to show you, first they'll give you access to the software, which again is going to build the pages for you. The software looks like this, okay? So to build the pages, you would just click on add a new webinar, and once you click on that, you basically type in the name of your webinar, and you add a video to it. Now they're going to give you some videos, but if you want to do other products in the training, Jono's going to show you how to get webinar videos from other products that are selling on ClickBank and things like this. Okay, filling your treasure sack. This is basically where they show you how to add the videos to your pages that the app is making. Okay. And he's going to show you evergreen options and launching options and things like that. Here they have a done for you video, which I'm currently using on the page that I showed you. And then they're going to show you, they call it setting up your snowmobile, okay, which is where you're getting the free traffic, okay. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If we click over to this page, this is the app itself, which builds the pages. Once your page is built, it will appear here. So here's my demo that I made, okay? And here it is getting traffic. Now, how it gets traffic is you just click start, okay? And once you click that, it'll take a few moments. I started this one a couple days ago. Once you click this button, it will get you backlinks. Brendan and Jono, they're going to basically send hundreds of backlinks to your page that you created. So this is the page that I've created showing this webinar and selling this product for you. And they're basically sending me free traffic by linking it to all kinds of blog sites and Web 2.0 sites that are about making money online. And I'm able to get the traffic from that. So that is the real magic of it. You don't have to do anything. You just click start, which I've already done, and I can stop it whenever I want. Okay. Now this will not get you ranked to the top in Google. You will get some Google rankings, but not much. This is just to get you traffic from the backlinks themselves. If you want to rank your site in Google and get even more free traffic, then you can use my bonus where I show you guys how to quickly and easily rank your site to the top of Google. So guys, that's how it works in a nutshell, and the system definitely does work. That's what Brendan and Jono themselves are doing to make a ton of money. So they're now giving you a way where you can start out just by basically pushing a few buttons on this app. You'll have your own website and you'll have instant traffic. Okay. Now it will take time for this traffic to build up. That is one drawback of the system. Okay. I mean, backlinks will give you traffic, but 146, only some of those have been getting me real traffic. It'll take a month or two before I'm getting a significant amount of free traffic with this. But the beauty is I don't have to do any work. And as each month goes by, I'm getting more and more traffic because every day they're sending me more backlinks. If you want faster traffic, in addition to the traffic that Brendan and John are giving you, well, that's covered in my bonuses, right? In case you forgot, I am going to be giving you guys hack to get traffic from YouTube and from email marketing and leads, as well as the extra trainings that I give you. So guys, that's it. That's all I really have to say about Aurora 2.0. It definitely does what it claims to do, but you could use a little extra help from the bonuses that I've given you. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on Facebook. You can access that in the link below and also on my blog. I'm more than happy to help you out if you have any questions. You can also check out my free training, which is on my blog as well, in the description of this video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I wish you guys good luck with all your marketing endeavors. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.